What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So I just thought I'd do some more analysis for you on Quant today, and I have left the previous analysis on here for you. I've not changed anything, just so you can see. And what I was saying in the previous video is that we had this break and close below structure, and I said I was anticipating a double top from this area and the continuation back down. We did get the double top, but what's happened is we didn't really break and close below that structure, which is fine, you know. Can't always be exactly right. I was saying that I anticipate to come back down to here, but of course we've had Bitcoin breaking out today. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to clear all of this for you. I'm just going to start afresh. And what I am thinking is that this market structure that we've got here now, I am thinking it is a little bit choppy. This whole thing here just looks a little bit choppy to me, and there's not really much structure going on within that. So what I am thinking now, if I delete that, and I'm just going to look at this little area here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark this area, and I'm just going to go from the top of the bodies, and I'm just going to ignore these wicks, because this is the way that I work it. And if I was to get, basically now, if I was to get a candle close up and above here, above this level, I'd be looking for this bullish continuation then, because you can see there that the buyers basically haven't been able to break and close below this area here. And if you was to see on the 4H a break and close below above this structure, then you are flipping bullish. And what I'm sort of seeing here, if this, you know, if you was to break it down on your lower time frames, like so, you know, this is like an uptrend, and this is a downtrend. And what you get in here is failing to break lower 3 times there. You're failing to break lower. This would be your lower high. So what you've done here is you broke out your lower high. You can see there you had that basically that consolidation was ranging between this level and this is lower high. And what's happened is we broke out the lower high there, and then you've retested the level, which I talk about all the time, and then you're pushing back up then into these highs. So what I am looking for, I'm not looking for any trades or anything on this, but if we do get that break and close above that structure, then I will be looking for your long opportunities. Basically, from up here, get your break up into this level, get your retest at the level, and then you'll be looking for your continuations then back higher up into, let me just turn that off, and then I'll be looking for the continuations then back up higher. You know, you are going to meet a bit of resistance there, but you know, your main areas now are up into these levels here. You know, you got this little area of resistance here, and you have got that area of resistance there. So if you want, you could just mark that whole area like that, and you can anticipate that if you do get that bullish break above there, then you can get your bullish continuation patterns. Then you might go into a bit of resistance here from this level, and you can sort of see it there anyway that you're getting that resistance. But I anticipate that if you was to get that break and close above there, this is your next major area that you can be targeting. You know, you could be looking at a fairly decent move there, 22, 23, nearly 25% move that you could basically capitalise on and make some gains on that. So that's basically, you know, I'm not going to waffle on about it too much. The structure is fairly messy, and it is fairly messy from this part onwards here, to be fair. I mean, you know, looking at it a bit more now, if you could get a break and close up above this level, then, you know, if you was to close above that, you are basically pretty much guaranteed then that continuation. All being well that Bitcoin didn't just flip over and just do something a bit crazy like it does sometimes. But I am suspecting if you can get a break and close above that level there, you would be pretty good for a bullish continuation still, because you know, this is your major area here that you've been running into this resistance at, and you have had the trouble there for a little bit. So yeah, like I say, if you do get that break and close above there, I would anticipate that you will get that bullish continuation. But even better still, if you had the break and close above that, then, you know, I'd be pretty much thinking, right, we are going to flip here now and get some bullish continuations back up to these higher levels that we can target. And then, of course, once you start tapping into these areas, you know, if you then start breaking out of these areas, then you can start targeting, of course, these higher levels up here and so on. But you know, we'll cover that once basically we get to that. And I don't want to get too ahead of ourselves. And I like to be just genuine with where we're at. You know, and I could say, oh yeah, we're going to go to this price, $10,000 per quant. You know, this is the here and now. We are at this price, and you know, you basically have to look at the charts every day. Well, you don't necessarily have to, but I like to, because, you know, I like to see where we're up to with things, and you can work out which way the market's going to go, or give yourself a good idea. That's it though. You know, I'm honest with you, everyone. I don't hype things up, and I don't tell you these mad predictions. I'm genuine and I'm honest, and I just basically look at the market structure here and now, and I just like to give you my honest opinion of where I think we're gonna go in the days and the weeks to come. And that's basically it. You know, no talking rubbish to you or anything. I'm a genuine person, and I just like to give you my honest personal truth. That's it though, you know, no more waffling. I'm going to keep you updated on Quant most days if I can. Try to get out at least maybe 3 a week if possible. That's basically it though. Anyone's got any cryptos they'd like me to cover, let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to go over them for you. That's it. Take care everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.